M16 model, first thing you're going to do is pull out your receiver barrel combo. You'll grab your fixed stock and notice the lever on the bottom of the stock will allow it to slide right onto the receiver and it should click into place. Next, you're going to install the hand guards by pulling down on the collar and inserting those hand guards in between the collar at the rear of the barrel and also a collar on the front of the barrel. Next, you're going to take your grip. Notice that the grip is machined so it will slide right on the bottom Picatinny rail. You can use the screw at the bottom of the grip to tighten it in place and make sure it locks in between two grooves. Then you can tighten it using either the screwdrivers or your fingers to tighten that 4X scope. Next, you can load your dummy rounds into the mag.